Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Today we got a bunch of shit going on. So it's cold now in Florida, so my tire pressures got all fucked, so I need to refill my tires. Also today I'm having a little car meet with some friends. By the way, we're creating a car club. There's a lot of us. There's like 15 of us. I also have a 3000 GT, but I just moved here to Florida. I'm finally getting my 3000 GT shipped here, so it should be here by the end of this month, if not December. So get ready for 3000 GT content again, finally. But yeah, I'm gonna try, I have like 30 minutes to meet up with everybody. I'm gonna try to fill up my tires and potentially like quick wash my car. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, we're good. What the fuck does that mean? This is a parking spot. What the fuck does that mean? Is that me? All right, we made it to the car meet. We're waiting on everyone else to show up. Don't show it. Man, my car is super dirty. We're just waiting on everyone else to show up right now. It's just, I mean, there's 3 of us, but he said his car doesn't count. It's just a Jetta or Passat. We're still waiting on everyone else. I'm just trying to detail little things in my car. I need to wash my car, but try to get all these spots off. Black cars get dirty so fast. All right, we got more people arriving. We don't have our full squad today because a lot of them are still at work and whatnot, but we're just cleaning up the cars. I cleaned up as much as I could on mine. Got everyone's car up in here. Yeah, I'm the only JDM here, but that's fine. All right, we're waiting on one more person. We got sick Trans Am here. It's loud as shit. We're about ready to head out. We got 2 GoPros, one on the Challenger, and I got a GoPro up here. So I'm gonna switch to GoPro footage. All right, we made it, whole squad. We're gonna get a bite to eat. I'm going to this place called Peppers. Ooh, Mexican food. I got chimichangas. All right, we finished eating. We're all here now. About to do a little photo shoot and whatnot. But look at all the V8s and muscle cars. And then there's me. And then that. And then that, which is really savage. We out here. Panama City Beach, by the way. This is Panama City Beach. There's a Ferris wheel. All right, guys, I'm gonna end today's video. We just chilled, went to some restaurants, whatever. It was chill. We met some more car people, but they were kind of ignorant, so I didn't really include that footage. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.